SANQIAOHUI is a professional flow sensor factory. The flow sensor can be connected to AC or DC power supply. The maximum working current is 0.3 A, and a relay is required to connect to 22 DC 24-volt products also have a pulse signal line outside the positive and neutral lines. You can also choose according to the direction of water flow, horizontal or vertical. You may also need to choose external threads or internal threads. Thread size is 1/8, 1/4, 3/8 inch, 1/2, 3/4, or 1-inch thread. We can also add temperature sensor integration, or display the water flow rate, or connect the solenoid valve. If you want to get a discount, or you can change the material, brass, stainless steel, or plastic. This is SANQIAOHUI Factory, specializing in the production of water flow sensors. Our team consists of 5 PhDs from the US, UK, and Canada. We have European, American, and Asian IP. SANQIAOHUI's water flow sensor is happy to serve you.